So I'm sharing on the screen an example of the ground rules. And so
Sure.
usually what we'll do is our programs are pretty lucky that we're usually ahead of it by a month, right? So we have clear expectations. We have an agenda. We have a race. We actually have a workshop template that Rolo, if you ping us, I'm happy to share it with you. Of here's our process, here's our steps. These are the roles and responsibilities. And that way it's very clear to the executive sponsor what everyone is supposed to do. We book all the meetings ahead of time, even if it's a month ahead of time, just to block it. And then a week before, and then the Friday before, we send out reminder emails on what the expectations are, what the ground rules are, right? And we also try to make it a little fun. So we try not to be bossy, and we try to joke around based on the interviews and the personalities and the company culture. And so we do tend to do a lot of fact finding and research, and getting to understand the business and the challenges before we do the workshops. And that way we can curate what the ground rules are and what the messaging is prior to going in to set expectations.